Welcome friends, I am Sujata Agarwal, tarot card reader and Vedic astrologer, spiritual healer and your life coach. Today I have come up with weekly horoscope for the upcoming week through tarot. First starting with Taurus, message is 8 of Cups. So Taurus people will feel emotionally hurt and in stress as well, so they don't have to bring mood swings in their mind as success is behind their back. Just they have to turn back and they will find the success which they were ignoring due to their mood swings. Next, coming up with Taurus. For Taurus, message is King of Cups, which shows that although they will be at comfortable position, but they will have some concern related to their health. So they have to be emotionally balanced and don't think about much and don't bring any concern related to their health. Health-wise, they all will be fine. Next, coming with Gemini, message is Page of Wands, which shows that this week they will be energetic, and if they have been waiting for something very hopefully, so those dreams will be coming true and they will be getting some positive news related to their job or career as well. Next, coming up with Cancerian. So for them, message is Sun, which shows that their position will be more strong in this week. They will be highly energetic, and if they are looking for some new opportunity or some change in job or promotion, so they can expect the same and they may have some good opportunity or some good change related to their job. Coming up with Leo people. So for Leo people, they have some negative thoughts in their mind and they will be possessive as well. For them, message is if any conflicts are there in your mind, so resolve it through communication and don't force and push the things. Give space and time to the things will become better. Coming up with Virgo people, message is Page of Cups, which shows that if they are expecting some positive news, so they will be getting some pleasant surprise related to relationship as well. Coming up with Libra people, message is Seven of Cups, which shows that something is going in their mind and they are not getting how to do it, and many ideas are there in their mind, but they are confused. So they have to take advice from some expert and they will definitely get the direction. Coming up with Scorpio people, so message getting is Emperor, which shows if they want to decide anything, so don't decide anything hastily, don't misuse your power, think logically and practically, everything will be in a good way and it will be a wise decision as well. Coming up with Sagittarius people, message is Seven of Wands, which shows that they are on the verge of ending the thing, and if any issue is there, that is all due to difference in thoughts. Struggle is there, but it's a last phase and afterwards there will be a victory for them. Coming up with Capricorn people, message is Wheel of Fortune, which shows that good change is coming in your way and your good fortune will favor you. Whatever hurdles and obstacles are there, all will be removed now. For Aquarius people, message is Magician, which shows if they are expecting any good change in job or career or promotion, so they have the capability and they deserve it and they will be getting it. For Pisces people, message is Knight of Wands, which shows they will be having very high energies this week, but they have to utilize in a good way. They don't have to do anything hastily, or they have to be a very good planner this week, organize the things and you will be able to achieve your targets. This is all for the upcoming week. For more astrological prediction, you can reach out to me through AstroTalk. Stay safe and healthy. All the best. Thank you.